Hello everyone. Today we are going to study third chapter from history, that is Bhakti cult and Sufi heritage. Here in this lesson we will learn about the Sufi saints of South India as well as North India. Separately we will learn in this lesson. First we will see about the introduction. As we are familiar about that, Indian society is inclusive of many cultures. Means in India the people are following different cultures and different religion. Here in this society, in Indian society, many wrong beliefs are existed, like caste system, superstitious and other rituals were deep rooted in our society. Means in our society, first of all, the caste system which is exist in society, the society was divided on the basis of caste, and superstitious people are following blind beliefs without any logic and reasoning, that is considered as superstitious beliefs. As well as they are following many rituals which is not related to that their daily life. It was the belief that to attain moksha, salvation, it is impossible to a common man. Salvation or moksha is that nothing but liberation or mukti, that is considered as moksha. In the medieval society, many reformers or the social persons has come forward to solve these problems. Especially this movement is called as the Bhakti cult and Sufi traditions, and they have brought a social and religious reformation in the society, and they stress on the importance of global brotherhood and thought the bhakti is the best way to attain moksha. Repeatedly they are saying it may be the Sufism or it may be the Bhakti cult, they are giving more importance to brotherhood, and they are saying with this only we can attain moksha, mukti, salvation. These things is possible by following the pure faith in God. Here it is, the word bhakti is come from the Sanskrit word bhoj, which means knowledge. Here the word indicating bhakti is derived from a Sanskrit word bhoj, which means knowledge. Now we will see what are the important characteristic or the gates of Bhakti cult. Firstly, they said that they have against the discrimination and they preach equality. They are giving more importance for equality. And in the next point they are saying the saints of Bhakti cult oppose the superstitious practices. Already I have told you that at the time of ancient period, the people are following many superstitious beliefs. Blindly they are following the practices. They undertook the task of uniting the hearts of the people. The Sufi saints and the Bhakti heritage persons, they are giving more importance for uniting the people. And next, according to the Sufi saints, dharma is the love and the service to mankind. They are saying religion is nothing but is love and service to mankind. Repeatedly they are saying that God is one, it's not many, and we have to preach God as only a one. And after that, in our next video we will see the Sufi saints from South India. Thank you.